Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel,
the
the
SD's
SD's
Kiosk
Chaos
Club.
Club.
In the last episode, as we concluded saying that I am friends with my friend's ex. So now you want to know how did it happen?
Yes, please.
So there's a short story behind it. So one day it so happened that I went to this meditation center. So there was this one uncle who's come from US, and he was trying to tell he initiated the conversation, and I spoke to him as an elderly person, and he was asking me what do I do, what is my profession, and why am I here, etc., etc. He was wanting to know about our whatever. He's an Indian only, he's an NRI, but he was telling all his lifestyle back in US, and he was showing the pictures of his family. His he's having a daughter, a son, or whatever. He was telling all the stories, and he told me that he's separated from his wife. So he was telling all sort of stories, and amidst the conversation, he was telling me that he's separated from his wife. He has everything and anything in the whole world, but all he craves is for a company.
Oh,
Now you would understand. Now you
Yeah.
understand where
Yeah.
where he's going.
yeah.
So what do you say about it? What do you think he was trying to do?
I think sugar daddy, something
Yes,
like that.
yes.
Oh my god.
And trust me, I got so scared. I literally got so scared. I have never encountered, because we in our this thing, we see these elderly people as, with certain sort of respect and all of those.
Correct.
So this was the first time I was encountering a senior person. He's elder to my father also, and then it was so creepy, that I had to go through such experience, and I freaked out.
Oh my
I
God.
freaked out, and I literally was not understanding. And also, I was, not to mention, I was having a bad day. I went to this meditation center to, was seeking peace. And imagine what I had to go through. Okay, so so in the whole experience, then I came out, and I was going through. I got that panic attack, and I sat in my car, and I was just not able to breathe. I mean, if somebody goes through the panic attack, they would know how to
Absolutely.
this thing. And I didn't want to call any of my parents and put them into trouble, as you know. So the last dial person was this person, this friend. So it so happened that I just randomly I called him, and I told him that I am not able to breathe. I am unable to breathe. So he understood the situation, and he was talking to me for almost 3 to 4 hours. Okay, and he spoke to me for 3 to 4 hours. Nothing about anything in life. We were not talking anything related to this or anything else. We were just randomly talking some crap, but it helped me in a way that after like 3 to 4 hours of the conversation, by the end of the conversation, I felt so relaxed. I calmed down. I was able to breathe, and I relaxed myself. And that day I cannot forget. Obviously, I'll be eternally grateful to this person that he held me. He held me for almost 3 to 4 hours. And it was not necessary.
Correct.
There was
But
no need of him to do that. But that day, I mean, post that day, I realized that we encounter certain situations in life, and we judge people based on that.
Correct.
I do, you do, all of us do.
Yes.
But there is so much beyond to it, and more than anything, I started seeing him as an individual, not like through
Correct.
any relation and all.
Correct.
That's when I realized that but my friend moved on,
Correct.
this person moved on, and there is
Then
no
obviously
point,
it doesn't
and there
make
is
sense,
and there
right?
is no point in me holding the whatever baggage they dropped. It why am
Correct.
I carrying the baggage?
So she's
So
friend with him, so why not you also
yes,
can
I mean, they are friends or they're not friends. Their relationship, their whatever
They moved on.
scenario is different. But that day, what made me realize was this person held me for almost, not held as in not physically holding, on phone, on
Yeah,
phone.
yes.
So and from then I was like, dude, I
That's
can
good.
never ever forget if somebody has done a tiniest to tiny thing for me. I remember it.
That's good.
I remember it, and that's what we call as gratitude, I guess.
Yeah.
So I'll be eternally grateful for this person
That's nice.
and this experience, and yeah. So
Good.
yes, that is how I am friends with my friends' ex. Okay, so Sony, you have your set of friends, I have my set of friends,
Yeah.
and we have mutual friends too. So then but then what happens when you mix different group of different set of friends?
एक word में बोलूं, lot of drama.
Yeah, so do you want to share that?
Yeah, so one
Because
of the
we would
drama.
love to listen to the drama.
Yeah, why not? It's one of
Hmm.
my biggest drama of my life actually. क्योंकि
Yeah.
I would say I think वही है, मैंने एक ट्रिप पे गई जहाँ पे मैंने अपने दो अलग अलग फ्रेंड्स को एक ट्रिप पे मैंने सोचा कि इट वुड बी ग्रेट आइडिया टू हैव अ गर्ल्स ट्रिप लाइक दैट. तो मैं दोनों को लेके गई एंड उन ट्रिप पे लेके जाने से पहले आई थॉट आई मेक देम मीट वंस सो दैट थोड़ा कंफर्ट हो जाए, थोड़ा
The
एक दूसरे
ice
को
will
जान हो
break.
जाए. हाँ वही बेसिकली वो थोड़ा सा अनकंफर्ट या ऑकवर्डनेस को हटाने के लिए मैंने
Very true.
एक दिन प्लान किया.
Yes.
दे मेट, इट वाज गुड. आई फेल्ट
Yeah.
ठीक है, मतलब इट विल नॉट बी दैट बैड आइडिया कि चलते हैं. तो बट ट्रिप पे जाने के बाद पहले दिन तो ठीक लगा, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. मुझे पहले दिन कुछ ऐसा कुछ दिखा नहीं कि कि मेरी ये फ्रेंड को वो फ्रेंड नहीं पसंद या वो फ्रेंड को ये फ्रेंड, तो जो भी है. तो फर्स्ट डे वाज ऑल फाइन बट द ड्रामा स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम द नेक्स्ट डे.
Okay.
So this girl, the one of the girl, was felt like that. She claims that I left her out, didn't give her enough attention. So वो चीज मुझे समझ नहीं आई कि मैं अटेंशन, अब मेरे को यहाँ पे मैं दोनों को जानती हूँ, ऑब्वियसली वो मेरे को ही जानती है एंड डजंट नो द अदर पर्सन. सो मैं कैसे करूँ? सो समहाउ I tried managing both of them equally, but somewhere still that person felt उसको left out करी and stuff like that. So there was lot of disconnect, communication problem बोलूँ या फिर पता नहीं क्या. So उस ट्रिप के बाद मेरे को लगा कि नहीं, मैं अगली बार कभी भी दो फ्रेंड्स को मैं नहीं मिक्स करने वाली. मैं अलग अलग उनके साथ अलग अलग ही घूमना पसंद करूंगी.
Okay.
So that's why I said drama. There's a lot of drama happened, in that trip. So इसलिए I feel it's not really a great experience to mix two friends.
You mean to say that it is not a great idea?
Not really great. I don't know. आप लोग कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइए प्लीज कि कैसे आपका एक्सपीरियंस हुआ है ऐसे, जब आप लोगों ने दो अलग या तीन अलग फ्रेंड्स ऐसे बेसिकली डिफरेंट ग्रुप्स को आप एक जगह जब गैदर करे हो. मेरा एक बर्थडे भी ऐसे ही मैंने किया था, एक्सपेरिमेंट बोल सकती हो. बट अगेन लकीली दैट बर्थडे पार्टी वाज वेंट वेल स्मूथ. सो again, not every time it happens where those people don't get along and stuff. So yeah, I think it all depends on situation, Deepika. This is what I feel. So एक बार अच्छा हुआ, एक बार बहुत ड्रामा हुआ. So that's my opinion on the mixing of friends.
Okay.